Hey everyone! Welcome back to Consumer Picks, your go-to channel for the best gear, gadgets, and upgrades to make life just a bit smarter and smoother. Today, we're diving into one of the handiest iPhone accessories out there, the best MagSafe wallets of 2025. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just want to ditch the bulky billfold, MagSafe wallets are changing the game. They snap onto your phone, hold your essentials, and look sleek doing it. We tested dozens of the most popular options hands-on, checking everything from magnetic strength and storage to durability and everyday usability. And yes, we found our winner, a wallet that checks every single box. As always, if you see something you like, all the product links are right down in the description. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more videos like this every single week. All right, let's count down the top 7, starting with number 7 and working our way to the best of the best. Kicking things off at number 7, we've got the Pelican magnetic wallet and card holder. And if you're not totally cashless just yet, this is the wallet for you. It's got a unique hinged door design that opens to reveal 2 separate compartments, one for cards, one for cash, with grippy silicone inside to keep everything firmly in place. Once you're done, it clicks shut with a secure snap, making it feel more like a mini vault than a wallet. We found this one super useful for folks who still carry a few bills or coins. It's minimal, sleek, and feels like a tough little case on your phone. Now, the downside? Some reviewers said long-term durability was hit or miss. But if you prioritize secure compartments and don't mind something a bit bulkier, the Pelican Wallet is worth checking out. At number 6, we've got something stylish and eco-inspired, the OtterBox Symmetry Series Cactus Leather MagSafe Wallet. Now this one is clean, slim, and simple. It holds up to 3 cards comfortably and features a push-up fabric slot that makes getting your cards out smooth and quick. What sets it apart is the cactus-based leather material. It looks and feels like the real thing, but with a more sustainable edge. Though, fair warning, it's still layered with some plastics. We loved how lightweight it felt, and it pairs perfectly with OtterBox phone cases. It also comes in multiple colors, from classic black to bold pink, giving you options for your vibe. If you like your gear sleek, modern, and a little bit earthy, this is your wallet. If you're someone who lives with a pop socket on your phone and can't imagine life without that familiar grip, good news! You don't have to sacrifice your favorite accessory just to enjoy the convenience of a MagSafe wallet. The PopSockets. Pop Wallet Plus gives you the best of both worlds. It snaps onto your MagSafe compatible phone and includes a collapsible grip that's just like the classic pop socket we all know and love. On top of that, you get a slim card holder built right into the design that holds up to 3 cards, or more depending on thickness. And here's the best part. There's a clever fabric opening on the bottom that lets you push cards out easily. No more fumbling at the register. The Pop Wallet Plus doesn't just look cool, it's also customizable. You can swap out the pop top with different colors or designs, or even create your own if you order directly from the PopSockets website. It's practical, fun, and ideal for anyone who wants form, function, and personality packed into one small accessory. Whether you're grabbing coffee, heading to a concert, or just lounging at home, this is one wallet that adds flair without the bulk. At number 4, we've got the Sati Magnetic Wallet Stand, an elegant, budget-friendly option that packs in both premium style and function. This wallet isn't just a card holder, it's also a fully functional phone stand. That's right, it props up your phone vertically or horizontally, which makes it great for watching videos, following recipes, or taking hands-free calls. And even though it has a sleek and slim build, it still manages to hold up to 4 cards, including a dedicated slot for your ID. What sets the Sati apart is its sturdy build and scratch-resistant vegan leather material. It's got a really nice tactile feel and a durability that rivals wallets twice the price. It comes in a few fresh colors too, like Desert Rose, that break away from the usual black and tan crowd. Users on Amazon are big fans of the robust hinge design and how securely it holds their phones. One caveat, some say the magnet could be stronger, especially if you're moving around a lot. But for most daily use, this one hits a sweet spot between affordability and versatility. Now, if you're the kind of person who still appreciates the feel of a good old-fashioned bifold wallet, the ESR Halo Lock might just be your new favorite accessory. This one takes that classic leather look and merges it with MagSafe tech in a really smart way. It's made from premium vegan leather and has metallic mesh lining that makes it feel just like a designer wallet. There's a front-facing card slot for quick access, and when you flip it open, you get 2 more card holders with a clear ID window. Perfect for showing your driver's license or work badge without taking it out. But here's the cool part. The Halo Lock also doubles as a fully adjustable phone stand, letting you set your device at almost any angle. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Maft Snapon phone stand and wallet. And let me tell you, this thing is a masterclass in minimalist design. It draws inspiration from origami, folding into a sleek triangle that transforms into a sturdy stand in seconds. Despite its ultra-slim profile, it still holds up to 3 cards and barely adds any bulk to your phone. You'll forget it's even there until you need it. Now, where the Maft really shines is in its modular stacking system. It's designed to work seamlessly with other Maft accessories like their MagSafe battery pack. So if you're building a full mobile setup, this is an excellent base. The magnets are strong enough to stay put during regular use, and the whole thing just looks cool. We're talking executive chic in colors like midnight blue, sienna brown, or sunset orange. One thing to note, removing cards can be a bit tricky in tight spaces like on public transit. But if you're someone who values clean aesthetics, portability, and multi-use tools, the Maft is practically made for you. It's not just a wallet, it's a mobile lifestyle upgrade. And finally, taking the top spot, the best of the best, is the ESR Aura MagSafe wallet and stand. This wallet is the full package. You get 5 card slots including a clear ID window, a super strong magnet, multiple easy access notches, and a folding stand that actually holds up over time. What really makes it special is the attention to detail. Every design choice feels purposeful, from the snug card fit to the variety of fun and professional color options. We tested pastel pink and navy blue, and both looked awesome. At under $30, it's hard to beat the value, especially considering the comfort, features, and build quality. If you're only going to buy one MagSafe wallet this year, let it be the ESR Aura. It's earned its place at the top. All right. That wraps up our list of the best MagSafe wallets of 2025. If any of these caught your eye, check out the product links in the description below to grab one for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment with your favorite pick, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next gear review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.